So what's up guys? So for today's video dahil guys kay mag-vlog ta karon adto ta sa karon sa one of the tourist spot or like to go destination talaga sa ng mga tao for like every weekend or something like that. So we're going there guys. So see you there. So what's up guys? So andito na pala tayo guys sa sinasabi ko kanina na isang to go destination talaga ng mga tao dito every weekend. So like I will show you guys kung gaano kaganda yung nature dito sa amin. So yeah. Guys, yung makikita nyo, hindi siya masyado malinaw yung tubig kasi siya, medyo maulan siya ngayon kaya ayun. So yun, ayun guys, so yun lang yun siya guys. So next is punta tayo dun sa guys, saan tayo? Doon tayo sa merong ibang bridge na parang landmark guys. So maangas din yung na bridge, isang like maangas na bridge siya. So isa siya sa mga landmark, isa talaga siya sa mga landmark dito sa dito sa lungsod namin. So yeah, see you there guys. So by the way guys, dito pala guys, dun sa taas guys, meron tayong merong cafe like something ganun like tingnan nyo lang guys. Makikita nyo dyan guys, meron cafe dito sa taas. So in case na magutom kayo, maligo kayo doon sa doon sa may river guys. So dito meron cafe dito guys, tinatawag siya na Hill Bikers Cafe. Ito guys, meron siyang cafe dito na tinatawag na Hill Bikers Cafe. So hindi na tayo pupunta dyan guys. Wala na tayo, hindi na tayo pupunta dyan kasi wala tayong pera ngayon guys. Sheesh. Anyway, yun lang guys. See you sa next na destination natin guys. Na kung bridge. Pasensya na medyo magulo yung camera natin kasi pangit yung daan. So ayun guys, see you on the next destination. So what's up guys? Andito na pala tayo. Malapit na pala tayo doon sa may bridge na sinasabi ko na isa siya sa mga landmark talaga dito sa lugar natin guys. So ito, papakita ko sa inyo. What's up guys? So ayun na pala siya guys. So ito na pala yung bridge na sinasabi ko na one of the landmark siya dito sa lugar namin guys. So ayun na guys, ipakita ko montage natin guys. So transition. Oops. Historical background check. So, municipality of Antequera is located in the province of Bohol in the central Visayas region of the Philippines. Antequera was founded on March 17, 1876 during the Spanish colonial period. It was originally part of the neighboring town of Maribojoc. The municipality was named after the town of Antequera in Spain, which was a common practice during the Spanish period to the name newly formed towns in the Philippines after places in Spain. The town historically relied on agriculture with rice, corns, and coconuts as primary products. The rest forested areas also supported a thriving basket weaving industry which continues to this day.